is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and more, and Emerson's Adventures. Their guest host today is Annalise Cupboard. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for this Tuesday. The theme is it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I'll let you take a look at it, then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about my tablescape here. The centerpiece, I have tied together two of the garlands to make my centerpiece. And this, I'm using the flocked garland. I've also added the beaded garland to that, and a couple of the white poinsettias. Now the garland here was from Joann Fabric. The poinsettias was from Hobby Lobby. On the side of it, I've added two little trees, which were also from Hobby Lobby. The beautiful candlesticks you see here were from Goodwill. And then I have the larger candlesticks. They were from Goodwill. And inside them, I have put the red glasses and added the little tea lights. I surrounded them with snow. I've also added the roses, which were from Joann Fabric. I've kept my white snow runner from Hobby Lobby, and also the snow placemats. The beautiful glasses here, I'm thinking they were from Home Goods. I truly can't remember, but as you can see, they beautiful. So let's take a look at this place setting. Here you see the doves, and this dinnerware is the 12 Days of Christmas. So I purchased this at Goodwill. So this one here, you can see the dinnerware is beautiful. I've placed a white plate underneath it with the red ribbon, and I topped it off with the red charger plate. That red charger plate was from Goodwill. The beautiful white dinner plate was from Goodwill. The red napkins were from Ross's, and this beautiful set of dinnerware was from Goodwill. I've taken the smaller plate and put it over here, and I used it to set my glass in. The flatware was from Tuesday morning. And as I said, the fair placements here were from Hobby Lobby, and also the fair runner was from Hobby Lobby. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and More and Emerson's Adventures, their guest host, Annalise Cupboard, for inviting me to be a part of Tablescape on Tuesday. I will be leaving the ladies' information in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out all their channels and the playlist for Tablescape Tuesday. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me today on this Tablescape on Tuesday, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you go ahead and hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family, because we would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.